Hello guys, what the I have here? I don't understand. Okay, let's see. I don't understand why I have this huge box with me now. I mean, I ordered an Xbox Series S. So let's see. I really don't understand why the box is so huge. It's big. I mean, how many Xbox can fit in this box? Well, anyway, let's open the box and let's see what happened here. Look, it's incredible. It's a huge box for a small Xbox box. I cannot believe it. Why they use this huge box for only this small box, you know? Anyway, anyhow, I have it here, the Xbox. So let's open it. I will use this Xbox only for my retro games. That's it. You know, in the future I will get the other Xbox that will be for the modern games, but this one is going to be only for my retro games because it's a very powerful machine. So let's open it to see how it comes. All what includes. I don't want to do nothing wrong to the box. So okay, perfect. So it's the other way. Yes. So we start here. Here is the Xbox. It's pretty small if you compare with the old ones, of course. It's kinda heavy. Now, what do we have inside here? Only this, and like a manual. Below this one is something or not? Nothing here. And here. Seems like there's nothing here as well. Let's see. Ooh. Well, anyway, anyhow. So let's leave this in the place that belongs. And now here we have the cable. We have this, the controller, the white controller, the HDMI cable, the plug to the electricity, and I think that's all. So, well, actually, it's weird that the controller don't come with a cable, but well, anyway, that's something that I can get with no problem. So let's see it outside of the box. Now I will take off the yes. Now here is it. It's pretty nice, simple, very white, a little black. It's pretty nice. I like it. I like this machine. The controller, the cables. And came with batteries. Okay. So, well, guys, what do you think about this machine? I will, like I said, use it for retro games because I'm crazy about retro games. And well, like I said, in the future I will get the other one, the Series X. But for now, for me, this is perfect. This is just perfect. Because I can play GameCube, I can play anything that I want. So, amazing. This is an amazing console. So guys, what do you think? Are you getting this one or the Series X? Leave me the comments and like the video if you can. And also subscribe for more videos. Until the next time. Bye.